efana neliga kuthiwa besiyikhompyutha but amagame la ngu-6 sawadraw wangamelanga siwadraw. Understand? Fana ne-TS Galaxy that time sidlala na first come he was lucky because uSilver was score game ikubhola yakho yadinayo ingenile. Understand? Yes, special ondlovu nabo maboyi amajita abuyazo sincedisa uthiyami not ona layo umaboyi nabo ba fana namanje umthetho ungenile wabe wasiza after lapha esiswini uthiyami ne sinidi amajita ngabe yasiza futhi noPeterson kubuya kwakhe uthiyami yabona nomnyani uthiyami ubuye wasiza kakhulu sikhuluma kulasa ku-right umnyani noSolomon basipanile uthiyami nothi kancane basipanile naye uSilver uthiyami maye ngakhonto score 7 yabe sipanile kunalama striker belethwa before umuntu ungakwazi uzathini kwenzakalani nalala ama coach but noma isizini ngaphela avayo azamile uthiyami akhona ama coach abakuthiwa high level lapha be-Old Covenant besibona number 14 silwelo number 10 lezi ntwana ziyaqala ucoach uthiyami zilokho ziyacompete but zizamile uthiyami enye nenye ngiyabongisa abantu ababuyile uthiyami today abanye sohlangana ePulukwane Wednesday uthiyami ngiyabonga but
against Magesi.
yes against Magesi.